Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Nova Hair Shampoo. Nova Hair Shampoo is marketed as a solution for hair growth, strengthening, and scalp health. It claims to reduce hair fall, promote thicker strands, and provide deep nourishment. Many users appreciate its natural ingredients and sulfate-free formula, which can be gentler on the scalp. However, reviews on its effectiveness are mixed. Some users report noticeable hair improvement, while others see little to no difference. The legitimacy of the product depends on where you purchase it. Official sellers and reputable online stores are safer choices. While Nova Hair Shampoo isn't necessarily a scam, results may vary based on hair type and consistency of use. If you're considering it, check reviews from verified buyers and ensure you're purchasing from a trusted source. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.